Good morning to one and all present here. I'm Ramya Devi working as Assistant Professor in SNS College of Technology. Today I'm going to share a small article regarding how to build a full stack web application. So before going into the topic, we'll see what is the role of a full stack developer. He is a software professional with the skills to handle both the front end, like user facing parts of an application, and also the back end, like server, database, and business logic. So, they are proficient in various technologies, which includes front end languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, as well as back end languages like Python or Node.js, databases, APIs, everything which allows them to manage an entire application from development to deployment. So what does he does? So he'll see the user interface, like he works on the parts of the application user sees and interact with, and also the server side logic which develops the behind the scenes code that powers the application, and also the database management which designs and maintains databases that store and retrieve the data. So, and also he'll work on APIs which builds and manages application programming interfaces to allow different parts of the application to communicate. And also he finally deploy the project which manages the process of pushing the finished product into an entire application. So we'll see how to develop a full stack web application through a problem statement and which can be solved using a DT based approach. So this is a problem. Here, students struggle to find the qualified tutors, and also tutors want a flexible work and a steady income which builds on a platform to match students and tutors. So this is a problem statement we have taken in which the students cannot find the qualified tutors, and also the tutors also need a steady income. So we are planning to build a platform to match the students and tutors. So we'll plan to make a startup regarding that. The startup name is Bridge, so which connects the students and tutors. So now we'll see how the problem can be solved using a DT based approach. So how it can be solved from empathy to deployment. So these are the phases of DT, design thinking, which is a human-centered iterative approach, and why we have, and we'll see in the further slides on how we are solving this problem using a design thinking approach. So the first phase is empathy, and the second is define, ideate, prototype, and test. So in the empathy phase, so the problem is the students cannot able to find a qualified tutor, and also this and also in the tutor part, he needs a steady income with a flexible work time. So here in the empathy phase, we have interviewed many students and tutors, and we have heard most of the students quote like, "I waste time contacting tutors who aren't available." So they don't know whether really tutors, qualified tutors, are available on their time or not. So we have to define the problem. So how might we connect the students with tutors whose schedules actually matches and who meet the quality standards? So here, after the definition of the problem, now we are giving different ideas of our problem. So the idea can be, it can be, we can use a matching algorithm, so which matches the actual schedule of the qualified tutor and also the schedule of the students. So he can in real time watches whether the tutors are available or not. And also we can have a scheduling interface, like we can make a weekly schedule or monthly schedule in which the tutors are free, and then the students can go and book the tutors. And also before having the study session, we can have an in-app chat also with them, so that they can confirm whether that their learning style or teaching style matches or not. And also we can choose the tutors like based on their ratings and reviews. And also the tech integrations, we can integrate the API like Google API and also the calendar API, so that so we can send an smart notification to both the students and then the tutors before the session. So this can be, so the prototype phase can be developed by you by the student by having an minimum viable product in which a students can searches the screen. He can also filter the qualified tutors, and also he can view the tutor profile display, and then he can also book the he can also book the qualified tutors and also get the confirmation of the booking. So we can give a small activity in this prototype phase to the students, like for either he can sketch or wireframe of a tutoring platform for this problem. And this same problem can be is solved in Stanford. For example, Flutterer is a project was a project developed by the student. It is an student-driven initiative in which it is solved that the real-time availability of the students and tutors, so that the students can go and book the tutors. So that the Flutterer project has the following features, like real-time availability of the matching, and also the quality assurance, so that we can view the tutor profile. And also this case study has been solved by using an design thinking based approach. Thank you.